Most SAT students know how to cross multiply, but they lose points on proportion problems because of one careless step. If you're familiar with cross multiplication, then maybe this problem doesn't look so bad, but especially if you're not familiar with cross multiplication, it looks like, wow, oh my gosh, a lot of x's and fractions and just like a lot going on here. And even if you do know cross multiplication, the other thing here is just like there's also distribution, there's also negative numbers, and it's just a multi-step problem. And in a problem like this, if you get even one step incorrect, your answer is going to come out wrong. So always show all your work. It really doesn't save you any time to do it in your head. It really costs you time to do things in your head. So as we mentioned, the first step is we're gonna cross multiply, okay? So we're just gonna go like this, and we're gonna go like this. We're gonna multiply those terms that the lines connect, okay? Also, I didn't do this problem ahead of time, so hopefully I get this right. All right, let's distribute the 4 to the 3x. Oh, and this is that careless mistake that we were talking about where a lot of students get this wrong. They'll distribute the 4 to the 3x, okay? So 4 times 3x is 12x. But a lot of students will forget to distribute this and just write -7, okay? It's really important that you do the 4 times the -7, and don't forget the negative sign. You have to keep the negative sign in there. So 4 times -7 is -28 equals, now we're gonna do the same thing over here. Let's distribute. So here, I'll do the little lines too in case it helps. So we gotta get x on its own. I wanna get the x's over to the left side, I think. So let's do -2x over here. Again, you can do anything you want the equation as long as you do it to both sides. You give the equation a hug as long as you give a hug to both sides. We're gonna do -2x to both sides. Almost have x on its own, but we have a -28 here. To get rid of a -28, we have to add 28, and again, both sides. So we're gonna go plus 28. On the other side, we're gonna go plus 28. Now we wanna get x on its own still. We're almost there. We have 10x equals 10. We gotta divide both sides by 10. So we're gonna do divided by 10, divided by 10. And what do we get? This 10 divided by 10 crosses out. So on the left, we just have x equals sign, and then 10 divided by 10 is 1, and our answer is x equals 1. There you go. That's it. That'll be $150.